Mercedes Benz S430 2000 model, converting some LED lights into the mirrors, because these ones get bad and they're real old school technology from 2000. So I'm just upgrading, but I gotta do some adjustment, solder up some wires and stuff in order for them to work. So but pretty much I'm getting there. Yeah, take off the mirror already. I should have videoed it when I was taking off the mirror, but I didn't. So it's all there, mechanism. And then I changed that mirror also on the driver's side. Yeah. See, that's a new one in there, like a conversion, and it fit in. New mirror, not auto dimming feature, but it works. Yeah, alright, I'm getting there. This car was a mess, some cool parts.